The latest World Happiness Report for 2024, released in March, highlighted the happiest countries globally. Let's see a list of the top 10. 1. Finland. Finland consistently tops the charts as the happiest country in the world. It's characterized by a strong sense of belonging and community, supported by deep and meaningful relationships. 2. Denmark. Denmark follows closely behind, emphasizing social support and well-being. 3. Iceland. Known for its stunning natural beauty, Iceland also boasts high standards of living and life satisfaction. 4. Sweden. Sweden's citizens enjoy a high quality of life, excellent health care, and a strong social safety net. 5. Israel. Despite its geopolitical challenges, Israel ranks among the happiest countries, with a resilient and close-knit society. 6. Netherlands. The Dutch enjoy a balanced lifestyle, efficient public services, and a strong sense of community. 7. Norway. Norway's natural beauty, social equality, and overall contentment contribute to its high happiness ranking. 8. Luxembourg. This small European nation combines economic prosperity with a high quality of life. 9. Switzerland. Known for its picturesque landscapes, Switzerland also excels in healthcare and education. 10. New Zealand. New Zealanders benefit from a strong sense of freedom, safety, and natural beauty. 44. Brazil. Brazil has climbed 5 positions compared to the previous year. It now stands at 44th place, an improvement after dropping 11 positions in 2023.